Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for downloading something, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign into your Google account in order to use the Google Play, and then let's tap on the circle which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the full list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and if you'd like to check the updates for those apps, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got all of the updates which we can download. And basically right now all you have to do is to simply find the app you'd like to update and mark it. So let me pick, for example, Chrome, and that was a misclick because I just wanted to tap inside this square to mark it. So let me mark also the Google Drive and, for example, Google Maps. If you're ready, so if you've marked all of the apps which you'd like to update, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, the apps will be downloaded, maybe not apps, but the updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and actually automatically updated. So you do not really need to do anything more, just wait a couple of minutes. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.